ndikuze tikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso tikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso tikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mulungu wamama ndikupemba Mulungu wamama ndikupemba Mulungu wambavu ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mbuye ndikuze ndiso ndikupemba Mbuye ndikuze. When worship is alive, we are also connected with God people in worship from God. So this Sunday, I'm sure that everyone have received the blessing. I'm sure that everyone is connected in Jesus' name. Today, everyone is connected in Jesus' name. So